That's kind of gay, bro. Saying.
Bra is gay. Saying that is gay. Gotta get my mask on.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh.
You heard the whistle. Jesus. Don't shoot me! Oh shit, this is intense.
Oh god, they hit my shoe.
Oh my god.
I see him.
Cameraman!
Is that piece of tin down there any good?
Yeah, that's kind of good.
Where were you, Paul?
I was by the trail.
I don't have my gun, so you're going to stay right behind me.
Why didn't you bring your gun?
Because
he's going to light off some smoke bombs. And
yeah, I gotta have.
Let's do that right now.
Light off smoke bomb?
I see Noah.
Oh, there it is. Here, take the lighter. You want to light it?
You gonna throw it?
bugs.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's one in my mask. Gotta light off at like 2.
Oh. Wow, that's
Go.
Distraction.
Go to that tree right there. That big one. 10 feet from us.
Here we go.
I know, but you gotta walk through all of
Dude, if they pop up right now, we're screwed. Crap.
Oh! You alright?
Yeah.
one up by those pallets up there.
I don't know where Jake is. No one's there.
They're behind that big barrier.
Oh?
I think so.
Well, I just heard shots from over there.
Sorry if this is shaky, guys.
See? I don't know where he is, but somewhere like straight ahead of us. Look at all these marks in it. That's from up close. Oh shit. Still can't see where he is though. When I see him, I'm gonna charge him. I think he might be.
I see it.
Is he behind the pallet?
Oh crap, he's down there. That was the sniper.
He's right over there. I see him.
Where?
Right behind that tree, right there.
Oh, I see his orange tip.
No, look. Can you see him through the glass?
Yeah, I see him.
He's next to that tree where the barrier is.
He just went down because I shot at him. Oh, shit.
Should we charge him?
Where else are we gonna go?
Okay,
watch out.
Either we're gonna let's go somewhere up there, or go straight on.
Makeup's moving. I need to change my clip.
How much if he goes down there? We got a problem.
Oh. That thing is powerful.
I know it is. Look at that.
That's the M4.
Oh shit.
Holy shit. I'm gonna go over there.
Dude, it just hit in front of my handle and I felt it.
Alright, hang on. I'm gonna move, guys, so sorry if this is gonna be shaky because I'm running, so. Cameraman! Sorry if this is shaky, guys.
You're missing the man.
The cameraman is covered.
Yeah, right. Don't use me as cover. Oh my god, these bugs are terrible.
You can probably see the sweat down my neck with it if that's HD. Where's Hunter?
Oh, damn.
No. Oh.
Going over Jake. Just moving, guys. Sorry if this is shaky. Jake, where are you? Oh, there he is. I'm 96 for the win. Oh shit, cameraman! Yeah.
Ace, where is he? Ace! Hit the glass.
Sorry if this is shaky, guys. I'm swapping away bugs right now.
Fucking glass is fogging up.
Holy crap.
No, you cannot get hit.
Huh?
Who's medic on this team?
It's both of us.
Oh yeah. How you doing, Jake?
Fine. Fucking sweaty.
I know, right?
Motherfucker.
Ah, hit!
Oh!
Fuck.
Where did you get hit?
The mouth.
Oh! In the mouth. Oh!
Suck it, bitches!
Oh, damn. Here he goes. Here we go. Medic, medic, medic.
You see it? That's awesome. 10.
Don't say you're in. Don't say you're in. Just stop.
Oh, come on, say you're in.
Okay.
Mid! Pop up on 3.
Oh,
Or maybe not.
Dude,
cameraman, cameraman.
can you see my lip from there?
No, I can't.
Here, look it.
Holy crap. Yeah, I can't. Oh, dude. I can see that. It's bleeding. That's hardcore right there.
Leg right now?
No.
Get some good views.
Yeah. Ah.
Bugs, bugs, bugs.
My lip is like huge and numb.
Jump, jump, where'd I get you? Jump, jump! What? Where'd I get you?
In the pinky.
In the pinky.
That huge? Oh. My knees are like
Dude, your leg is so freaking.
What?
It's all fucking wet.
It's wet.
Cameraman coming.
Dude, look at my lip.
Oh, guys. Oh.
What does it look like?
Jesus. It's terrible.
Really?
Oh my God, it's
like
bleeding.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's bleeding.
That's cool.
Oh, alright guys, moving to the other side. Hang on a sec. Cameraman coming. He's hit.
As long as they're together, we have to go and
Let's go back there.
we have to get both of them in 10 seconds.
I say we just rush them.
I do, yeah, really.
Go for it.
Wait till a second.
Here we go.
Hit!
Oh, come on.
You hit?
No. Okay, okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 8.
You back in?
Yeah, I'm back in.
Okay, yeah.
Back in!
Yep. Did you get him?
Did I get you, Noah?
Yeah.
Did I get anyone? You got me. Should we just rush him?
Rush him, rush him. Come on, we gotta finish this thing.
Get him!
God, quit shooting me in the face. Sorry.
Where's Jacob?
Where's Jacob?
Oh, there he is.
Dude, you should see his welt. It's bleeding.
I'm sorry, Noah.
It's moving into a bang.
Are we done?
We're done. That's game.